Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap North Fort Myers local and long-distance movers near me. FL Movers is a reputable local moving company that offers timely and dependable relocation services within the city. The company's noteworthy qualities include exceptional customer service, an experienced team, competitive pricing, and high-quality equipment. North Fort Myers Local 3 Movers offers secure storage options in their climate-controlled facilities if you need to temporarily or permanently store your belongings. Loading and offloading is just as important as transporting your load. We ensure that we pack each category of luggage together effectively and efficiently to avoid damage, breakage, or loss. Relocating may be difficult, especially if it requires long distances. Professional long-distance movers in North Fort Myers provide tailored moving services for customers moving to another state or country. These movers are prepared to deal with the difficulties of long-distance moves such as transportation logistics and governmental regulations. Long-distance movers consider elements including the distance your move will cover, the weight of your belongings, and the number of items you plan to move. To prevent fragile objects from harm during transportation, long-distance movers use specialist equipment like air ride suspension trucks and provide storage facilities for customers who require them. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North Fort Myers moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.